Here's why I don't follow up with prospects, and you shouldn't either. It took me 20 years to learn this, but every single time that you say, I'm just following up or I'm just checking in, you sound desperate, you sound weak, and you come across like you're wasting the other person's time. Instead of saying, I'm just following up or I'm just checking in, say one of these three things. Number one, as promised. As promised, I'm calling to see if your legal team had any questions on the contract. Number two, instead of following up or checking in, ask them if it makes sense. Here's an example. I'm calling to see if it makes sense to sign the contract. Number three, every single person wants to give you their opinion. So instead of calling them to follow up or check in, let them know you've got an idea that you'd like to get their opinion on. Sounds like this. Hey Mark, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. I've got an idea that I'd love to get your opinion on. Can you call me on my mobile, 720-660-3202? They will call you back. Now make sure you've got a good idea that gives them value and it's not just a sales pitch when they call you back. But I want you to use one of these three things instead of following up or checking in, and trust me, you'll make a lot more money. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.